Okay, good afternoon, Proto. Hope you're doing well. I'll just introduce the team before I start off. That's Shrikant, my co-founder. He's an IT batch of 2002, IT Madras, and then he did his master's in engineering management from Duke. I'm an electronics and communications engineer from JNTU batch of 2001, and then I'm Ahmedabad batch of 2003. So we'll start the presentation. We'll start with a small story that I'm sure most of us sitting here will be able to associate with. The protagonist of the story is this lady called Neha, who's looking at buying a TV. And that's where the story starts. Now, Neha has been planning to buy this for some time, and finally it's a weekend, it's a Saturday, and she gets some time, so she decides to check out this product in the store which is close to her. She takes her car out and starts driving to the store, goes through the standard issues of trying to wade through the traffic, manages to reach the store finally, and that starts the battle of wits with the sales guy there in trying to negotiate a good deal with the guy. After spending close to about an hour and a half, and traveling about 3-4 kilometers, she's managed to iron out this deal that she thinks is a good deal. But en route to that store, she saw these really interesting posters which said sale in one store. And there was some other crazy offer in some other store which says, depending on your height, we'll give you a discount. And stuff like that. I'm sure most of us see this. So she decides to check out store 2, store 3, and store 4. And so over a period of 3 days, she manages to do this round. What happens at the end of it all is she's probably spent close to about 5 hours, traveled about 15-20 kilometers. And by Bombay standards, I'm sure that's a very, very small number. But a lot of other cities, that's still a pretty big number. And she manages to iron out a deal that probably gives her an incremental 2,000 over the first store. Now imagine something like this happening at a city level. Every one of us sitting here or living in the city, trying to bargain ourselves, trying to do our own individual deals, running around the city, clogging the roads up, contesting with the other shopper to get to that last product which is still on sale, and getting confused by the clutter of stores out there. Each one of them giving you massive discounts or mega discounts. Buy 2, get 3 free. Right? So that's where we come in. We're GoVasool. We help you shop street smart. So with that, we'll hopefully start the demo. GoVasool is a fairly simple idea. The idea is that in every city that each of us live, there are 10-15 stores which are the basket destination stores for any consumer. So the idea for GoVasool is to bring all these guys into one marketplace where the consumer has a straight access to the stores that he or she trusts in and ensure that transactions happen in this neutral, transparent marketplace. So if Neha were to come here onto GoVasool, and she can either go through the category column or type for whatever product she's looking at and get to the product page. There she has the option of being able to review the product specifications once again. She gets the option of looking at what other users who've bought this recently, what are they saying about this product. And of course, at one click, she gets access to all the popular stores in her city at one place. At this point, she has 2 choices. She either decides to buy the product right away, in which case all she needs to do is fill out a simple shipping form, and the product is voila, delivered free of cost to her in her local city from her favorite retailer. But the interesting part of GoVasool is the other option that Neha has, which is to start an auction on GoVasool. This is a reverse auction that Neha has the choice to start. So she decides to create, in our parlance, what we call as a group on GoVasool. Every time a group like this is created, like when Neha creates this group on the Samsung 22-inch TV, the information is sent out to all those vendors who are listed with us. They get instant emails, they get instant access to this. Once these vendors get instant access to this, they have the opportunity to come and bid real time on the group in GoVasool. So, like we see here now, Neha has created the group. We have one retailer who's already bid on this at a certain price, which is discounted versus the standard list price on the site. Parallelly, while Neha is going through this process, there's somebody else called Rahul out there living in a different part of, let's say, Pune, who's looking for the same TV and comes to GoVasool to check out the prices in different stores. And he sees that, okay, there's one person called Neha who's already looking for this. Why don't I team up with her? Because I can, we can bargain together. So he decides to join the group. Again, just as it worked with Neha, as soon as he decides to join the group, the retailers get information, it's instantly sent to them, and they get the option to either manually override, or there's an algo which runs on GoWasool, which is already, which is information which is already taken from these guys, and the bids start coming in as and when more people start joining the group, and the prices go down. Because the vendors are now competing with each other to get your demand, rather than you having to take the pain of going from store to store, bargaining yourself, what do